The fabrics, and for me is a great word because I have a lot of inspiration for my art and my style of life.
This is our first time in China. We are very excited to stay here because for us this is a new world. We are very happy because Chinese, it's very friendly people.
I think the smelling one was very interesting. In my country, maybe we have perfume, but we don't care so much about smell. I think maybe it's not so important for us. So in the Song dynasty, you see they're so careful and they make these beautiful smells. I think it's very special. There's many stores you can buy this clothing or you can wear this clothing. I see many young people are very interested in trying this, and when I travel I see many of these kinds of like hanfu and things. I'm a teacher, so my students are all Chinese. So if I can understand some Chinese culture, then I can connect with my students. It's better, I think.